for the head. Still feels like I ain't dropped my best. Cut me a check and then leave me to rest, yeah. Back from the dead, wanted me gut, shoulda aimed for the head. Still feels like I ain't dropped my best. Cut me a check and then leave me to rest. Oh, Russ will burn the witch. Dig a couple graves and throw them in the ditch. We'll murder them, waiting for this plague to cover up our sins. We'll burn the witch. Dig a couple graves and throw them in the ditch. We'll murder them, waiting for this plague to cover up our sins. Don't talk, better just make moves. Write me up the game, but you better make room. Better plan for what might ensue. If you need a minute, go ahead and take two. I don't even care about the comments or the views. Second that I give into it, I might lose. Keeping to myself, only write my truth. Only way I live, I don't know about you. I'm used to a painful existence, I carry the sentence. I'm out of the grave again, I'll never fit in. The burden of living is too much to bear. Death is upon me, but I never care. This side shit blew up off tracks, I do it thinking nobody'd hear them. The thoughts of a screw up. See, half of these songs are my suicide notes. Guess being honest is how this shit grows. This is all I ever might. Just watch the world start to collapse. Am I the only one who sees that prison is an hourglass? Back from the dead, wanted me gut, shoulda aimed for the head. Still feels like I ain't dropped my best. Cut me a check and then leave me to rest, yeah. Back from the dead, wanted me gut, shoulda aimed for the head. Still feels like I ain't dropped my best. Cut me a check and then leave me to rest. Oh, Russ will burn the witch. Dig a couple graves and throw them in the ditch. We'll murder them, waiting for this plague to cover up our sins. We'll burn the witch. Dig a couple graves and throw them in the ditch. We'll murder them, waiting for this plague to cover up our sins.
Sometimes I'm trying, sick of this life, swear I'm always coming. Lost in my head and I say my prayers. Sometimes I'm not scared to say goodbye. I'm alright, I'ma die for this shit. Give me my respect, you won't end up on my hit list. You ain't seen a thing, nah, but you ain't from the trenches. Got some money bags, but you'll never be a misfit. Better watch what you say to me. Whole family with me and they pray for me. Coming back for all that they take from me. Turning down deals ain't a thing for me. No, I won't fake it. When I see my shot, I'ma slide, I'ma take it. Never sold my soul, saying fuck being famous. I ain't about to sign unless you throw me like A-Figs. I ain't about to die for no one. All my life I've been running way too fast. I spend like all my time on some things that never last.
I never wanted this, my omen's been ominous. Ever since I've been dominant, since the money been bottomless. Man, I just don't have the time for this. I'm trying to focus on all of the positives, but these vultures been so prominent, so now I'm dropping this. See, I've always been going against the grain. Wrap my demons in cellophane, gas them up and then light the flame, but they still seem to know my fate. If I don't make it out, I wonder what'll be my life. Sometimes it feels the only way out of this ain't alive.
All my life I've been running way too fast. I spend like all my time on some things that never last. I don't wanna die, but sometimes I'm trying. Sick of this life, swear I'm always coming. Lost in my head and I say my prayers. Sometimes I'm not scared to say goodbye. I'm alright, I'ma die for this shit. Give me my respect, you won't end up on my hit list. You ain't seen a thing, nah, but you ain't from the trenches. Got some money bags, but you'll never be a misfit. Better watch what you say to me. Whole family with me and they pray for me. Coming back for all that they take from me. Turning down deals ain't a thing for me.
Yeah, I feel so dead inside. I wake up every night and I say fuck my life. Don't wanna try, but I still try for all the ones that wanna die. I hate this world, I hate existing, and my mental health is slipping. Reaper always trailing me, so I'm saying good riddance. I don't know if I still wanna do this when I'm 30, cause I got lots of people that are trying to do me dirty. And I don't wanna die for this, these people wanna hurt me. I don't think I'm worthy, brother, am I worthy? I'm no longer scared of death, I just accept
it. I got cracks that started forming in my head, no time for resting. I got shows and venues, time to fill these stages. I can't take no break, to stop when I push up some daisies, throw my millions in the grave. Having suicidal thoughts on the tour bus, but I put my smile on for everyone that's showing up, cause maybe I would feel much less alone